Click on the link below to get price. The Outdoor Chaise Lounge with adjustable backrest, available as a set of 4, offers a versatile seating option for those looking to enhance their outdoor living spaces. This product is particularly well suited for patios, gardens, or poolside areas, providing both comfort and style for relaxation in the sun or shade. At first glance, the design of these chaise lounges stands out. Each lounger features a sleek, modern silhouette that can complement various outdoor decors. The adjustable backrest with 6 different reclining positions allows users to find their desired level of comfort, whether they prefer a more upright seating position for reading or a fully reclined posture for sunbathing. This feature is particularly beneficial for accommodating different preferences among users, making these loungers suitable for family gatherings or entertaining guests. Constructed from durable materials, the chaise lounges are designed to withstand outdoor elements. The fabric used for the seating is weather-resistant, which helps to maintain its appearance over time despite exposure to sun and moisture. Additionally, the frame is typically made from sturdy materials, ensuring stability and support while in use. The practicality of these loungers extends to their lightweight design, allowing for easy repositioning as needed. Using these chaise lounges is straightforward. Users can adjust the backrest with minimal effort, enabling quick transitions between positions. The spacious seating area provides ample room for relaxation, allowing individuals of varying sizes to find comfort. However, it is advisable to consider the space available in your outdoor area, as the size and number of loungers may require adequate room for movement and accessibility. In conclusion, the Outdoor Chaise Lounge with adjustable backrest set offers a thoughtful combination of comfort, durability, and style for outdoor spaces. Its adjustable features allow users to customize their lounging experience according to personal preferences, while the quality materials used in construction aim to ensure longevity. Whether for lazy afternoons by the pool or enjoyable evenings under the stars, this set of chaise lounges can be a valuable addition to your outdoor furniture collection.